What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has once again pumped up over 22% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at this value here. Over the last few days it has been performing very well. As you guys can see, over the last 7 days it has gained over 120%. So what is next for Milady meme coin? Is it likely to pump up to about 200-300% over the coming days? Is it going to crash back down in value? Because as you guys can see, the Bitcoin has dropped about 3% and most cryptos are down today, with Bitcoin dropping down to $42,000. So will Milady meme coin follow a similar pattern over the coming hours or days, or is it going to keep pumping? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and of course looking at its predictions going into 2024 as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we are going to get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So the purple line is here, and average value, that is the average value of Milady meme coin, but we can clearly see it is trading at a much higher value here in green. That means it's performing very well and better than expected, but that also means that it is overvalued and it could potentially drop back down in value, but we'll get into that shortly. So let's look at the 30-minute chart first before the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart to go over the next couple of weeks and to go into 2024 as well. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, which is a good sign. Again, it's not looking too steep either, so an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin. However, when it comes to saying out the values of where it's going to hit, it's quite hard, because as you guys can see, there's too many zeros and the values are very vague. So an overall increase is what I'm expecting, and it is going to be quite minimal. As you guys can see right now, it is 23% up in the last 24 hours, probably likely to go over 30% over the next couple of hours, and towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, it should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But as usual, do expect red candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. Let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, in this case, as you guys can see, it's looking a little bit more steep, meaning it's not as realistic as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be, yes, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, over the coming 2 to 3 days, I'm expecting it to hit red candles, dropping a little bit in value before it pumps back up towards mid to end of the week, trading at a much higher value. Sorry, not much higher, but average higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially going up about another 30 to 40% over the coming week or so, with red candles in between. So yes, do expect an overall increase in value from Milady meme coin. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Again, this is not realistic, as it is looking way too steep. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days, going up over 100%, which means on the bad side it is overvalued. On the good side is people can take the profits if they are, if they're seeing profits. But yes, as I mentioned, it is overvalued. So what does this mean? It means it is likely to drop back down a little bit in value over the coming week or two, just like what's happening to Bitcoin right now. I did let you guys know, do expect it to drop back down a little bit in value because it is overvalued, and that's what's happening right now to Bitcoin and majority of the cryptos today. But Milady meme coin, it hasn't happened yet, but I am expecting that to take place too for this crypto over the next week or two, dropping down in value. but I have been updating you guys on a regular basis on Milady meme coin, so closer to the time I'll be able to predict it more. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel to get notified every time I upload, especially for those of you guys who are interested on this specific crypto. So yeah, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting over the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys, dropping down to the average value here, the purple line here, and then potentially mid-January, February time, we should be able to see it slowly gain value back up to a higher value than where it is at the moment. So essentially it is going to be like a wave. It's going to drop, it's going to pump up for now and then drop back down over the next week or two, and then pump back up towards end of December, January, February, pump back up to a higher value than where it is at the moment. And that is a similar pattern that I'm expecting the crypto market to be heading to as well, dropping back down and then pumping back out towards the end of the month and January, February time, meaning an overall increase in value from where it is at the moment. And again, Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to hit around $45,000 by Q1 of 2024. So this should have a positive impact on the crypto market in general. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped by 21% in the last 24 hours. Reason is yesterday, Milady meme coin did take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a drop, but because it is pumping right now, we are going to see more people trading the crypto, meaning this red number here should go into the green over the next couple of hours. But anyways, the trading volume is $14.8 million. But if we go back to 2 days ago, we can see it was around, let's have a look here, $20 million, $21 million. Yesterday, it took a little bit of a drop back to 13 million, and right now, slowly going back up. So yeah, it should essentially go into the green side. So yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are for this crypto going into 2024. I've seen a lot of comments saying a lot of people are holding billions and billions of Milady meme coin. Reason is worth pretty much, yeah, very low. So for you can get a billion of these for a very little amount, and hence why people are investing a lot of money into it, because it's fairly cheap. And if it does manage to hit 1 cent, I'm not saying it's going to hit 1 cent anytime soon. It's going to take at least about 5, 6, 7 years, whatever it is, to hit that target, because it's going to require thousands and thousands of percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Milady meme coin. And we should see the 300% increase mark over the next couple of potentially weeks as well, late December, early January. So yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.